Right now, let me show you how you can close every tab on your Mac, right? So if I open up Safari web browser, you can see I have currently 3 tabs open. So I have like Google in here, Apple and Microsoft, whatever, right? But you can see that I can click on the X button next to each of them. But if I want to make it a little bit quicker, what I can do is to open up the side panel and see that I have like 3 tabs open currently. And what I can do is essentially click on X next to all of them, but I can as well just right click on the first one and click on a close other tabs like this. So all of the other 2 are going to be closed. And now I just have this one, right? So I can easily close it like that. So that's very useful, right? Because that's how you can make sure that you close all of the tabs at once, except for the one which you decide to keep. But that is essentially it. That's how you can do this. Of course, if you need a little bit more, you can also force quit the Safari app by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner, click on force quit, and you can also tap Safari, force quit like that, and it's gonna quit it, and you can start fresh with the Safari. So that is essentially everything I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in future uploads.